What's up guys, it's James here, and in today's video I want to talk about something I'm very excited about. This is just going to be a super quick video. I'm just going to be briefly mentioning it because honestly I mentioned this to a small group of people just a couple weeks ago and we're already pretty much full, but I did want to put this out there that hey, my business partner and I are working with investors right now and securing properties on short-term rental and Airbnb. We're handpicking only a few people to work with. We cannot offer this to everyone and we're already almost at capacity. And I know as soon as this video goes out, we're going to be at capacity very, very quickly. But if you are an investor, if you've got some money, you've got mortgage capability and you want to invest in property for short-term rental, but you want to do it completely passively, you want to work with myself and my business partner Riley and have us go and actually find property deals, manage them, take care of everything, and you just invest the money passively and have a short-term rental property as your investment, then just click the link down below. We just recently launched something called BNB Capital, where we're working with investors to actually buy properties, where we're the active partner on our most recent deal here that we got. I've shared a whole bunch of breakdown analysis, so if you want to check that out to get more information about how we invest in real estate, how things are structured, what our typical deal looks like, then just check out those other videos. We break it all down in full detail. But if you are an investor, you're looking to work with us, you want to invest your money passively with us, then I highly recommend that you just click the link down below, schedule a quick call with me, and just let me know when we get on the call that you're interested in talking more about BNB Capital. And I'd love to talk to you and see if we can help you. If not now, then in the future, because like I said, it is going to get very, very quickly filled up. We're already working with investors to purchase about 3-4 properties right now. So we're already at almost capacity. We're not scaling this to the moon. I'm just looking for a few small people to work with. So if that's you, I will let you know up front that the minimum investment is $150,000. So if you don't have $150,000 to invest, then it's not for you. You also have to have mortgage capability to buy a property of $500,000 or more. Again, I totally understand that this is not for everyone. That's just our criteria for right now. If you are just starting out, you've got less than that, there's other options available to you. This is just not it. There's other ways that we can help you and work together. But if you're an investor with $150,000 or more that you're looking to deploy into a short-term rental property and you've got some good mortgage capability, then just click the link down below, let me know, and I'd love to see if there's a way for us to work together. That's all for today. That's all I had to talk about. Just excited to share that with you, and then we are going to get back to our regular scheduled programming here very shortly, so stay tuned. If you're not yet subscribed, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date as we post new videos, and I will see you in the next one.